Greetings from Export Help Center. Hope you all doing well today. Today we are going to see about product importance in this video. So, ask yourself, before product selection, when you're selecting a product, you need to be personally and emotionally committed to its success. Begin the selection process by asking yourself the following questions. Do you like the product that you're planning to offer for sale? If you don't like it, you'll have a hard time selling it. Can you see yourself getting excited about it? Sometimes you choose a product based on data, but you can tell that it's something you'll get excited about. If you can't see yourself getting jazzed about the product, move on to another one. Would you buy and use it yourself? If you wouldn't buy and use the product, what makes you think other people will buy and use it? Would you sell this product to an immediate family member or friend? If you don't think the product is good enough for your family and friends, it's not good enough for your customers either. Who would you be selling this product to? Who would be your target market? If you can't identify your target market for this product, you need to go back to the drawing board. Is there a real need for the product in today's market? If the market doesn't need the product, you don't want to be selling it. What are the product's advantages and disadvantages as compared to a similar product in the market? No product is perfect. Even if you're excited about the product, you need to be honest with yourself about its pros and cons so you can properly position it in the marketplace. Understanding business is more important than learning. All the very best to you all. If you like our efforts, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to us without fail to receive more business updates. Meet you all in the next videos. Have a great day.